Hello everyone, I am Nabil Arceo from BSECE 3D and we will be doing the MATLAB exercise number 1 entitled Modeling in Frequency Domain using Symbolic Math. So the objectives of this laboratory is to solve Laplace transforms and inverse transforms, to represent transfer functions, and to apply Cramer's rule using Symbolic Math. So ipapakita ko po yung module na magiging guide natin for this laboratory. So ito po yung ating manual guide. So we will be doing number 1, inverse Laplace transforms. Ito po yung ating mga problems. Ito po yung mga answers sa problems natin. Mamaya papakita ko po yung codes ko para dito. Number 2, we will be doing Laplace transforms as well. Ito yung mga guide natin na codes. And syempre meron ding problems. Ito yung sagot ko sa mga problems na ginamitan natin ng codes. Tapos number 3, transfer functions. Yan, in-apply natin yung result equations in number 2. Tapos ginamit natin siya dito. And the last one is Cramer's rule. So we also have problems, letter A and letter B. So this is verified by Sir Edmond. Bale, ito po yung ating code sa inverse Laplace transforms, sa Laplace transforms, sa, ayan yung mga problem natin, sa transfer functions, and the last one is sa Cramer's rule. So, ayan po yung ating codes. And ito po yung naging results nung codes natin na sinulat natin sa lab manual. Ito po. Ayan. In this MATLAB exercise, objectives were achieved. Laplace transforms and their inverses were successfully solved using symbolic math tools, allowing for efficient representation of transfer functions. Additionally, the application of Cramer's rule using symbolic math provided a powerful method for solving systems of linear equations. Through this exercise, a deeper understanding of frequency domain modeling and its practical applications was gained, enhancing proficiency in symbolic math techniques within MATLAB. That would be all. Thank you.